The magic of learning languages.
Welcome to the magical world of languages. Today we're going to discover why learning different languages is so important.
Did you know that there are thousands of languages spoken around the world?
Wow, that's amazing! But why is it important to learn other languages?
Well, learning a new language is like unlocking a special superpower.
That's right, Leo. Learning a new language helps us connect with people from different cultures and countries.
Amazing! That's like opening a door to a whole new world of exciting adventures and friendships.
And did you know that learning languages can make our brains stronger and smarter?
Absolutely, Tovi. Learning languages helps improve our memory, problem-solving skills, and even makes us better at multitasking.
So, by learning new languages, we become more open-minded, creative, and understanding of others. That's so cool!
I can't wait to start learning new languages and explore the world in a whole new way.
And so, our adventure in the magical world of languages begins. Are you ready?
Yeah!